Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a double unboxing. This Louis Vuitton and Cartier that I got today. I went to Louis Vuitton store, not really knowing what to get. And my husband was with me and he was asking me what do I want for a Christmas gift since I didn't ask for any this year. And I tried on some bags, but this one caught my eye. I've never seen this in person. I was trying some of the card holders and my SA showed this to me, and let's open it together. So I was told that this is the new item, and this is it, guys. It is so cute. And this is none other than this Flora card holder with this charms at as the zipper pull. It's a nice flower design, and this one is an LV logo, and it has a zipper opening here in front, and you can see that's what it looks inside. And this is what it says in here. This is in empreinte green leather, and this is very durable, and this is what it looks like at the back. So there's no front and back, as both have the same LV pattern here, which is not upside down at the back, and it has 3 card slots in here and another 3 here. I saw there's another card holder like this without a zipper. However, there's only 2 card slots. I like that this has 3 card slots. And let's see how much did I pay for this. My previous SA already left the company, so another SA has helped me, and she is so nice. Like, she let me try some of the bags. However, there's nothing that really caught my eye. This cost $530 US, and I paid a total of $572.67. If you're gonna compare this with my recent card holder, I'm using this bag a while ago, and this is my watercolor Kipal XS, and this is the card holder that I've been using for the past 2 years. So I've been using this Chanel card holder, which I really love, and this is in caviar leather, and I only have 1 card slot here, an opening here in the middle, and then 2 card slots here, and this is full of cards, and I have like coupons here inside. So I compared it together like this. I didn't really put all the cards in here as I don't want this to stretch out, and at that time I'm not sure if I'm really gonna get this wallet. If you're gonna compare it, this is shorter than that of my Chanel card holder, but we'll see if it all fits. I'll transfer it here. So let's try to put 2. Okay, so this has 1, this has 2 cards, and this has 2, so total of 5. And maybe I'll put just 1 on each card since I don't want it to really stretch. And 1 more there. So I put 1 card here at the other side, and then here I put 5, so this is 3 cards total with 5, and it's 8 cards currently. So I still have 2 left, my Costco card and also the Panera gift card. So this is what it looks like if you will put in 10 cards. So 5 here and then 5 here. So this is what it looks like. This is a little bit bulkier than this one, since this one has a leather extension here, like if you put some bills in here, or maybe like 1 key inside. So I just got this than the regular card holder. This is what it looks like. Flora card holder. I really love this charm, guys. It's so cute. And my SA told me that this will not really scratch any purse, the lining easily, as this is rounded edges. I don't know. I'm thinking if I'll use my Chanel bags, this might scratch the inside. For example, my Chanel Mini, if you put it inside my Chanel Mini, it will look like this, and this might scratch the edges of the leather lining. I'm not sure. Good thing this Chanel Mini has an organizer inside, so it can protect it. By the way, guys, I have 20% off discount code from zoomany.com. So if you want an organizer to protect your purses, you can use my discount code StardustLV. So this is the Flora wallet, which I really love. And I have here inside my Recto Verso wallet, which I used to wear a lot. This is my Recto Verso wallet. This is the Recto Verso wallet, and this is the Flora wallet. Recto Verso has 4 card slots at the back, and this one has 3 in front, 3 at the back. And Recto Verso wallet has this here inside, and then one here for the bills, and also like this with a key fob. I love that this is in leather. This is more durable to use. It is well made, and I'm gonna enjoy this for the years to come. So let's open the other one. So this is my new Flora wallet, and this is the other item. I went to Cartier as I want this to be changed. This used to be in black. If you are watching my previous video, you always see that I have this Trinity bracelet with a black cord on it. Ever since I bought this, I think like 2 years ago, I haven't really removed it. I showered with it, I slept with it, and now I'm thinking of a different color since I've had the black for a long time, and I chose this gold. I'm so happy with this. And the lady who helped me in Cartier polished this Bangle Love bracelet that I have, and they told me that they are discontinuing this already because of the new lock system that they have. So I don't know what's the connection, why discontinuing the bangle. I have this bangle, and I'm so happy that I can remove this on and off. They also polished this Trinity ring, and also this love ring that I have, and also my Trinity earring that I got before they polish it all. Now that I've shown you my Trinity pieces, you already have an idea what is this. And this is it. They gave me a sample of the perfume, which is called Magnolia, and also this travel pouch for me to use if I travel. I forgot to ask them to wrap it with a Cartier stamp. No wonder, like, when she handed this to me, I'm like, something is missing. And then when I reached home, I remembered, oh, they did not wrap it with a white paper with a stamp. This is the item, and I'm so happy that I got this. And this is it, guys. This is the Trinity necklace. Now completed my Trinity jewelry line from Cartier, as I have the earring, and then the necklace, I have the ring, and this bracelet. And I started collecting Trinity with this ring. So this ring has tricolor, and it is in 3 rings. And I bought this because I have 3 sons, and I have their name engraved here inside. So their names are here engraved inside. And this really signifies my love for all 3 of them. This is also like an eternity piece of jewelry, as it will not be removed from one another. So that's just how I see this Trinity line. And I added this bracelet, and also this earring that I have. And now I'm not really a necklace type of person. It depends on my mood, but this one is so dainty. And what I like about this is it's in 2 chains. When I tried it, it's so bright at Cartier that I didn't see that it is also in tricolor. I thought it's just in yellow gold, and the client advisor told me that it is in tricolors and it's movable. And I asked her if this chain will gonna tangle with each other, and she says sometimes it will, but you can just like untangle it easily. I love that this one has the Cartier logo here at the end. She told me that this is in 17 and 16 inch. So you can put it here at the edge to make it a 17 inches. And then here it's a 16 inches. And 17 inches is just right for me. I tried it on in there. It doesn't matter where are you going to have it placed, either here or either here, as you will be able to see the tricolor. So this is what it looks like, guys. Oh my God, it is so pretty and dainty. And if you want like quiet luxury, this is it, guys. You'll never know that this is a Trinity line unless you're gonna take a look at it. I think this is an understated piece in Cartier, the Trinity line. Love, I think, is more popular than the Trinity line, but I'm really drawn to this Trinity line as it means love, fidelity, and loyalty. It just makes me remind of my three boys. I really, really love it. When I went to Italy and I was wearing this earring, we went to Florence, and there's like, Florence is very popular in their jewelry making. And I was wearing this Trinity earrings, and the lady in there told me that she loved my Cartier earring. And surprisingly, you know, if you are a jewelry aficionado, you will really know that the quality pieces that one wears without even like really screaming the brand, like this one, like Chanel. When you see it, you'll know it's Chanel. But it's nice that it's dainty, and people who knows will just know. I guess you know what I mean, guys. This is the necklace. I can see myself wearing this often, as it is very, very light, and you cannot really feel that you have a necklace on. I've been looking at Trinity necklaces, but I haven't seen it in person. I didn't really pay attention on it before. That's why when I went to Cartier and have this change, I looked and I saw this, and I'm like, oh, this is nice addition to my Trinity line, and I bought it. And I will let you see up close what it looks like with this jewelry pouch that they gave me. So this is what it looks like up close, guys. It is in tricolor, and it moves, and it's nice that it comes with 2 chain. And when you bring it out, for example, if you're traveling, this is what it looks like. So I asked the one who's helping me if they have cleaning materials, as last time I was given a cleaning material, and they said they're not giving it out anymore. They said it's for diamonds, and they're not giving it out unless if you're gonna pay a particular diamond piece. So that's why I didn't get the cleaning material. But I'm happy that when I asked for a travel pouch, she gave me this one. So when I travel, it will be secured. So this is what it looks like. It is so pretty, guys. By the way, this is the certificate that came with it. So this is the certificate, and this is what it looks like. Them is $1,670 US dollars, and the tax is $134.44, and the total is this $1,804.44. So this is close to 2K for a dainty necklace. I find it pricey, seriously, but it comes in 2 chains, and this is in 18 karat gold, and this is a legacy piece, as Cartier never go out of style. That's how I justify myself in getting this piece of jewelry. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you find this video useful, please hit like, and I will do appreciate if you will subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Till next time, bye everyone.